Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, assistant teacher of mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, day shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is exercise 3.3, lecture nong 19, exam nong 16. Okay student, today at first I will solve question number 13, then question number 14. Look, find the value of this, then find the value of this, and find the value of this. Look, this is minus 7, minus 8, minus 8, minus and this minus plus 25. Minus 7, minus 8, minus and this minus is equal to plus 25. Now 25 minus 7 minus 8, take the minus common, then these minus and these minus plus, minus and these minus plus. This is equal to what? 25 minus 7 plus 8, we know 15. Now 25 minus 15, this is equal to what? 10 right now. 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 1, that means 1. That means the value of minus 7, minus 8, minus 25 is 10. Now question number C. This is minus 7, right, minus 7, plus and this minus, plus minus minus 8, plus and minus minus. Okay student, minus 7, plus minus minus, plus minus minus. Student, in the previous class I will discuss you then plus into plus, this is equal to what? Plus. And minus into minus equal to what? Minus plus. Okay, and plus into minus, plus minus into minus, and minus into plus, this is equal to what? Minus plus also minus. Look, for the case of multiplication, plus plus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus. Okay student, in the previous class I have discussed this, so yet today I will discuss. Look, now see, now come to the point. See number minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 90. Now you have to take the common minus, then 7, minus and this minus, plus 7, minus and this minus 8, minus and this minus 90. Okay student, minus plus, minus plus, minus and this minus plus. Now 7 plus 8 plus 90, this is equal to what? You can adding this face to face, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 90 equal to what? 105. Okay, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 90 equal to 15, 105. Now I'll solve question of D. Look, this is minus 50, minus and this minus plus. Okay student, you see the formula, minus and minus, this is equal to plus. So minus and minus plus 40. These minus and these minus plus 2. Now all are positive, so 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 2, 92. Okay student, this is the result. Student, remember, find the value of this type of math, you have to remember these tricks. Okay, plus minus plus and plus, minus plus, plus into minus equal to minus, minus plus equal to minus. Okay, this is the very important tricks. Now I will solve a creative question. which is taken from your book, page long exercise 3.3. Okay, and page long is 87. At first read the question. Minus 3, 6, 9 are three integers. We know minus 3, 6, 9, these are the integers number. A number, put the signs greater than or less than or equal sign. This is called greater than, this is less than, and this is called equal sign. In between minus 3 and 6, 9 and minus 3, minus 3 plus 6, and 9 minus 6. At first I will solve a number question. A number. Look, minus 3 and 6. The first case, minus 3 and 6. You see, minus 3 is smaller. Minus 3 is smaller than 6. Okay. Therefore, you have to write. That means 6 is greater and minus 3 is the smaller. Okay, student. Now see between 9 and minus 3. Look, 9 is look student, 9 is greater than minus 3. Okay, look, between these 2 points, 9 and minus 3, 9 is greater than minus 3. Therefore, we have to write 9 greater than minus 3. Remember student, this is the greater sign and this is the smaller sign. Okay. Now, minus 3 plus 6 and 9 minus 6. Now write here the value of minus 3 plus 6 is equal to what? 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 equal to what? 3. And the value of 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 is equal to what? 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Therefore, we have to write minus 3 plus 6 and 9 minus 6. Look, minus 3 plus 6 equal to what? 6 minus 6, that means 3, and 9 minus 6 equal to what? 3. So, their value is equal. So, you have to put here equal sign. Okay student, I hope you understood. Look, the first one, minus 3 is smaller than 6. So, we have to write minus 3 less than 6. And 9 is greater than minus 3. So, we have to write 9 greater than minus 3. The value of minus 3 plus 6 is equal to what? 6 minus 3 equal to 3, and the value of 9 minus 6 equal to what? 3. So, between these two expressions, we have to put here equal sign. Okay student, A number finish. Now I will solve B number. Determine the value of minus 3 plus minus 6 plus 9. Look, we have to determine the value of minus 3 plus minus 6 plus 9. You should look minus of minus 3 plus minus 6 plus 9. Now write now minus 3 plus minus 6 plus 9. This is equal to what? minus and minus, this minus is equal to plus 3. Okay, minus and minus, this is equal to plus 3. Then plus into minus, this is equal to what? Minus 6. Plus 9, plus 9. Now, according to the BODMAS rule, 9 plus 3, 3 plus 9 minus 6. 9 plus 3 equal to what? 12 minus 6. So 12 minus 6 equal to what? 6. Student, look, 9, here is 9, plus 3 minus 6 minus 6. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 minus 6 equal to what? 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Okay, student. Now I will solve creative question now C. Look, using number line, determine the sum of minus 3 and 6. Student, look, sum of minus 3 and 6 and difference of 9 and 6. That means in C number question there are two parts. C number question there are two parts. Right? The addition of minus 3 and 6, the addition of minus 3 and 6 in the number line is given below. Let us draw a number line. At first we have to draw a number line. Like this way. Minus 3 and 6. Look, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4. Okay? And this is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look, at first we have to move minus 3. Where is the minus 3? Look, this is the minus 3. Okay, 0 to 3 steps left, then we get minus 3. And 6, how can we get 6? We have to move 6 steps right from minus 3. Okay, how can? Look, how many steps? 6 steps. That means here. Look, student, we have to move 6 steps. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so our value is what? Determined value is positive 3. So you have to mark this. And as our result is positive 3, so you have to move like this way. Okay, student? That means this line represents that the value of minus 3 and 6 is positive 3. Okay? Now write the description. In the number line, at first we have to move at first we have to move 3 steps left 3 steps left. From 0. Look, in the number line, at first we have to move 3 steps left. Look, 3 steps left from 0 and reach at -3. Then from -3 we have to move 6 steps right. Look, and is at -3. Then from -3 we have to move 6 steps right. From 6 is right from -3 and reach at 3. Thus -3 plus 6 is equal to what? 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Okay student, the first step done. Look student, again at first we have to draw a number line. Then in the number line, at first we have to move 3 steps left. Look, from 0, 3 steps left from 0 and reach at -3, reach at -3. Then from -3 we have to move 6 steps right. 6 steps right. This is the right side and this is the left side. We have to move 6 steps right from -3. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and reach at 3. Thus -3 plus 6 equal to what? 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Okay student, now the second part of question number C, difference of 9 and 6. Difference of 9 and 6. Right? The difference of 9 and 6. The difference of 9 and 6 in the number line are given. The difference of 9 and 6 in the number line is given below. Let's draw a number line. Same case. Let's draw a number line. Let's draw a number line. Friend, look properly. The difference of 9 and 6. That means this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay student? 7, 8. This is -1, -2, -3. Okay? The difference of 9. At first we have to move 6 steps right from 0. Look, 6 steps. This is the 6 steps right from 0. Then 6 you have to move. 6, 7, 8, then 9. At first we have to move 9 steps. Okay, the difference of 9 and 6, so you have to move 9 steps. Look,
9 steps. This is the 9 steps.
Then from this one we have to move 6 steps. 6 step left from 9. Okay, student, look. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps. 6 steps left from 9. And our result will be what? Result will be positive 3. So
You have to give like this way, arrow sign, and the result will be positive 3. So you have to underline. Okay, student?
this is the 3. Now we have to write the description. Okay, student, please see.
In the number line, in the number line, at first we have to move.
In the number line, at first we have to move
9 steps right from 0.
Look, in the number line, at first we have to move 9 steps right from 0. Look, at first we have to move 9 steps right. 9 steps right from 0. Starting from 0. 9 steps right from 0.
And reach at 9. Then from 9 we have to move 6 steps. 6 steps left from 9.
So look here. Then from 9 we have to move 6 steps left from 9. Look, this is the 9. Then we have to from 9 we have to move 6 steps left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps left from 9.
And reach at 3.
Okay.
Thus 9 minus 6 is equal to what? 3.
Okay, student, I hope you understood. Now I talk with you about HW topic. Look, HW norm 16, exercise 3.3, MCQ 1 to 9. Okay, you do MCQ 1 to 9 and example 5. Example norm 5, page norm 84. Example, in the example 5 the solution has given. Okay, you try to understand the example and submit. Yes, student, you have to submit all of your HW copy on every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM, and you collect these HW copies on next Saturday. Yes, student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.